2010 Mazda 3 2.5 liter. Ticking noise. What is it? Sounds like it's coming from around here. Please help.